rectangular chart paper of 12 cm by 6 cm and fold it into half. Place it vertically and fold it into half again. Now unfold it. Fold the right corner through the middle crease. Repeat the same with the left side as well. Secure the flaps with the tape. Fold the top right and the left portion down. Now we have to fold all the 4 corners into a triangle, as shown below. I've already posted a tutorial on how to make a basic corner bookmark. You can get the link in the bio. So make a corner bookmark and draw a heart shape on the top side. Now cut through the lines we drew. Take a square chart paper, fold it into half and then unfold it. Turn the paper and fold it into half again. Unfold it and place it like a diamond and fold it into a triangle. Turn the page and fold into a triangle again. Tuck in through the middle crease and fold it into a triangle. Join the right and the left corner to the top point. Fold the top point through the middle crease. Lift the top layer of the triangle upwards, just as shown below. Bring the flap down. Fold the lower portion upwards. Open the corner pockets and flatten into a triangle. Fold the remaining corners into a triangle. Fold the heart portion upwards, and this is how our heart bookmarks looks like.